Hello squad, welcome back leaders of the internet. Later in this video, we want to calculate 3,443 divided by 11. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 3,443 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 11 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 3 big enough for 11 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 11 is larger than 3. So we must take the next digit too. How many 11 are in 34? The answer is 3. Now multiply 3 by 11, which gives us 33. Draw line and subtract 34 minus 33, which leaves us with 1. Now we bring down the next digit 4, and this makes our new number 14. How many 11 are in 14? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 11, which gives us 11. Draw line and subtract 14 minus 11, which leaves us with 3. Now we bring down the next digit 3, and this makes our new number 33. How many 11 are in 33? The answer is 3. Now multiply 3 by 11, which gives us 33. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 313. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe to keep the adventure going.